Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to do the remaining exercise of chapter number 7, that is house and clothing. So students, in our previous video we have done the question number A, B, C, and now we are going to do the question number D, that is give 2 examples for the following. So students, let's read the first one. Things used to make pakka houses. So students, in the explanation of this chapter, we studied that the pakka houses are made of bricks and cement. So you have to write bricks in the first blank and cement in the second blank. Now look at second one. Things used to make kacha houses. As you know that kacha houses are made of mud and straw. So students, you have to write mud and straw in the given blanks. Now let's come to the third one, temporary houses. So students, do you know what are temporary houses? The houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary houses. So the example of temporary houses are tent and karwa. So you have to write tent and karwa in the given blank. Now let's come to the question number 4, permanent houses. So students, you know very well, most of houses around us cannot be moved from one place to another are called permanent houses. So the example of permanent houses are pakka house and kacha house. Now let's come to the fifth one, type of clothes we wear. So students, in this chapter you studied that people wear different kinds of clothes to protect them from heat, cold and rain. So students, here you have to write 2 examples of type of clothes we wear. So the first one is cotton cloths and second one is woolen cloths. Now question number D is completed. Let's come to the question number E. Answer the following questions. Question number first, what does a house protect us from? So students, you know very well, a house protects us from heat, cold and rain. It also protects us from wild animals, thieves, etc. So students, in the answer of this question, you have to write a house protects us from heat, cold and rain. Why do people living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs? So students, in this chapter you studied about types of roofs. There are two types of roof: flat roofs and sloping roofs. So students, do you know why people living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs? The answer of question number 2 is people living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs because it helps to slide off snow easily. Now let's come to the question number 3. What kind of houses do people make in places where it rains a lot? So students, people make stilt houses in places where it rains a lot. This is the answer of question number 3. So students, now the question arises, why people make stilt house in places where it rains a lot? Because the rain water easily fall off from the roofs. Now let's come to the question number 4. How are pakka houses different from kacha houses? So students, as you know that pakka houses are made of bricks and cement, while kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Now let's come to the 5th question. What is a temporary house? Give one example. So students, houses that are moved from one place to another are called temporary houses, and the example of temporary houses are tent, carva, houseboat, etc. So students, here you have to write only one example. Now let's recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, look at this map. Houses. So students, houses protect us from, here you have to complete the missing word, that is heat, cold, wind and rain. So students, the houses protected us from HEAT heat, COLD cold, WIND wind and RAIN rain. Below houses, look here, types of roof. So you know very well there are two types of roofs, flat and sloping. So you have to write flat in the first column, first box, FLAT flat, and sloping in the second box, SLOPING, sloping. Now look, types of houses. So students, you studied different types of or many types of houses in this chapter. Here you have to write any 4 types of houses. The first one is igloo, IGLOO, igloo. The second one is CARAVE, A-N Karwa. In third, K-U-T-C-H-A, Kacha, H-O-U-S-E, Kacha house. The last one is T-E-N-T, tent. So students, now this map is completed. I hope you understand this exercise by this video. So students, you have to write question number D and E in your fair copy from the given PDF in your WhatsApp group. And you have to learn also. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you student. Bye and take care.